Hello friends, I am Manoj Zade. Today in active and passive voice we are going to discuss about the passive voice of simple present tense. The passive voice of simple present tense. But before that we should know what is active voice and what is passive voice. It is very easy. In active voice, subject, doer and actor, it is important. I repeat it. In active voice, subject, doer or actor, it is important. It means one who makes the action, he is important. And in passive voice, object becomes more important than subject. In passive voice, we always focus on the object upon which the action has happened. That is important in passive voice. So, how to make the passive voice of simple present tense? Very easy. Object, am is are, V3, by and S2. It means after object, as per the object we use either am, is or are. Am is always used after I. Is, it is always used after singular subject. Are, it is used after plural subject. And in passive voice, we have to always use V3 or past participle of the verb plus by and then S2. S2 means accusative or objective case of the subject. Here, these are the nominatives and these are the accusative or objective cases. I, me, he, him, she, her, they, them, you, we, us, it. Like this, we have to convert the nominative cases into objective cases. Now here, one by one, we will solve these sentences. Students solve every test. This is the first sentence. Here, we have to identify which is the subject, which is the verb and which is the object in the given sentence. Students, this is the subject. Solve, this is verb, and every test, this is the object. To find out the object, we have to ask question either with what or whom to the verb. The answer we get, that answer is object. Here, how can we ask questions? We can ask question like this. What do students solve? What do students solve? What answer we get? Every test. So, every test, this is object. In the beginning of the sentence, we will write object. Every test. Every test. This is singular. That's why is. Every test is. Plus V3. Solve. Plus by and S2. By students. I repeat it. First object. So every test, this is the object. Then out of am is are, is. Then V3. Solve. Then by and then S2. There is no S2 of students. That's why it should be as it is. Next sentence is the teacher teaches grammar every day. Here the teacher, this is subject, teaches, this is verb, grammar object number 1 and every day object number 2. Again we will ask question over here either with what or whom. I would like to mention when the things are there, we ask question with what, and when the persons are there, we ask question with whom. So grammar. So here obviously we will ask question with what. What does the teacher teach? I repeat it. What does the teacher teach? Grammar. So grammar object number 1 and everyday object number 2. Object number 2, it should be written after V3 or at the end of the sentence. So first we will write over here grammar. Grammar. Again this is singular. So is. Grammar is plus V3. Taught. Teach, taught, taught. Grammar is taught. Object number 2. Every day by the teacher. By the teacher. I repeat it. Object, grammar, then is plus V3. Object number 2 after V3, then by and then the teacher. There is no S2 of the teacher, that's why it should be as it is. Then we send them messages. Now then, whom do we send messages? I repeat it. Whom do we send messages? To them. So then this is object number 1 and messages this is object number 2 and we this is subject, same this is verb. So here then it will convert into they because subjects are always written in nominative, that's why they. After that we use are. They are plus V3 same object number 2 messages by we, the accusative case of we, that is we, it will convert into us. They are sent messages by us. Then my father earns money. Here my father, this is subject, earns, this is verb, money, this is object. So in the beginning we take object. Object is money. Money is always singular. So money plus out of and is plus V3 on plus by and plus S2. There is no S2 of my father. That's why it should be as it is. I repeat it. Money, object. Then out of Amazon, we have used here is. Money is always singular. Plus V3 on, plus by and plus S2. So, if we keep in our mind this construction, object and is are V3, by and S2, we can solve any examples which is given in simple present tense. So I hope you all must have understood all these sentences very properly and carefully. So let us stop over